In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can warp a picture in Canva. First, you have to upload a picture to your Canva document, or you can also use a picture from the Canva library. And after that, you want to go to the app section and you want to search for an app that is called Warp Brush. So that's the name of the app. Search on it and click Warp Brush, click open. And after that, you can click on the image that you want to modify, you want to warp. I'm going to click on this image, and after that, you can select any of these three options. There are three different options. You can use the warp option, you can use grow, and also the shrink option. I'm going to be using the shrink option, and the brush size is this circle, the one that you are seeing right now. This is actually the size of the brush. So it could be small, it could be really big, and this is the strength. This is something that you cannot see immediately, so you have to actually start warping the image so you can see the strength that it represents. Anyway, I'm going to be starting with making her face look different by wrapping the image. So this is basically going to shrink everything, and this is the result. And if you want to apply something else, you can absolutely do that. So I'm going to try again, and this time I'm going to be using the grow option. And let's do the same thing. So that is definitely not something that you want to see in your dream, but yeah, that's how you can warp a picture in Canva. I hope you found this video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.